You want me to do it in cha-cha or rumba? Huh? I'll do it rumba so we can do it slowly. One basic, 3 crosses and then stop. Basic step, basic step. Cross 1 time, cross 2 time, cross 3 times, stop. Here comes our turn. Ha, ha, ha. Basic. Huh, huh, huh. Cross 2 times, and I'll stop. There's 1, 2, and you turn. Ha, ha, ha. I rock back. I rock back. I rock back. I rock back. Da, da, da. Now I get out of the way. 1, 2, 3. And da, da. So girls, when you turn on this side, you have to know to rock where?
Forward.
Forward. Because I have to automatically do that. Let me do that last part. Boom. I won't stop you this time. Boom, boom. Do your turn. Come to me. Come to me. Do, 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 do. And there's the picture right there.